Hey coders, welcome back. Today we'll explore the block palette, the stage, and the sprites. Click this icon and then create a new project. This big blank white screen in the middle is the stage. Here is where all your code will appear when you drag it in. This is your sprites area. Here are where all your sprites are. You can click this button here to add new sprites. Wow, there's so many sprites. Ooh, a panther. Cool. You can go to the costumes menu to edit the sprites. This is a block palette. Here you can see all of these colorful blocks. There's the motion, look, sound, events, control, and many more. They're all so colorful. Well, oh, wait, his head. Wait a sec, please. Good. Yeah. So, then, now I have an assignment for you. Homework. Explore the block palette and see what does this block do? What does this block do? Turn 15 degrees. Move 10 steps. Find out and explore the block palette. See you in the next video. Bye.